So the best advice we can offer as far as finding the right tax preparer is Tax Time Coalition. They offer free tax preparation. You can contact them by dialing 211 if you live in Franklin County. If you do decide to hire your own tax preparer, you should make sure that you keep these points in mind. The first point is checking their qualifications. You need to make sure that they are qualified to prepare your tax returns. And you need to check things like their training and their experiences, and also their professional license and certifications. And there's a handy tool to do this with. You can go on to irs.gov and check what's called the Directory of Federal Tax Return Preparers with Credentials and Qualifications. The second point, avoid tax preparers who do these following things. Promise you a bigger refund than you received last year before looking at your tax documents, ask you to sign a blank or unfinished tax return, offers you to deposit their tax refund, your tax refund into their bank account, and refuses to sign your tax return as a paid preparer or to enter their PTIN number. When you live in Ohio, there are multiple responsibilities as far as preparing tax returns. The first responsibility is filing your federal tax return and paying those taxes. You also have a responsibility to pay taxes to the state of Ohio and preparing returns for them. But you may also have a third responsibility depending on which municipality that you live in. There are approximately 600 municipalities in Ohio that require their residents to prepare a tax return and to pay their taxes. And there may even be a fourth responsibility to school districts. There are approximately 200 school districts in Ohio who also impose their own tax. And finally, the most important point, you are responsible for what's on your tax return, not the tax preparer.